So this is it. This is all a neural network is, right? It's a mathematical representation of how the human brain works. That's it. That's all it is. And we talked about that, right? So if we're going to say that it kind of mimics the human brain, then let's understand the human brain a little bit, right? And we basically talked about how there's these cells all throughout our bodies. There's a flow of electricity, from left to right in this case. There's some sort of an input, and in the majority of cases, it's multiple inputs. It travels along the cell itself for some processing and thinking. And then it goes out to these terminals, which basically go out to other outputs, right? And also, it's more often than not multiple outputs. So you have multiple inputs coming into this cell. The cell makes some sort of decision of fire or not fire, and sends the information on, right? So again, if I'm lifting my hand, there is a collection of cells that are starting from my brain, sending electrical impulses down my neck, down up my arm, and that chain causes my arm to go either up or down, right? And then on this side of my body, nothing is happening. There's nothing firing because there's nothing being sent there, right? Nothing is being asked to be activated.